Best Shopify apps for review. In this video, we're going to be talking about Shopify and all the greatest review apps that it provides you. So to start things off, what we're going to do is we're going to come over to shopify.com, and over here, we're going to go over to the ad app section. Now in the ad app section, once you go here, you're going to click on Shopify App Store, and from here, it's going to give you all the applications that Shopify has to offer. Now, when it comes to reviews, we all know that when we're selling a product, if it doesn't have a lot of reviews on it, trust me, the customer will shy away from it. Now, think of it as a practical situation by yourself. So let's say hypothetically you're on a store and you're looking at some shoes. Now, if those shoes don't have reviews at all, obviously you will be turned off by it because you will know that, okay, maybe not a lot of people have bought this, or maybe not a lot of people liked it. So reviews are a big game changer when it comes to increasing your sales on your store. So we're going to go through all the review apps that I think are very good when it comes to Shopify's e-commerce journey. So to start things off, the first and foremost most used reviews app on Shopify is Judge.me. Now, Judge.me is specifically built for Shopify, and it was basically just called a reviews app, and Shopify created it specifically for Shopify's code. It was integrated with the Shopify API code and worked specifically only for Shopify. But then a company called JudgeMe, pitched into this software, and once they pitched in, this software was called Judge.me Product Reviews. Now, JudgeMe, as you can see, has 28,000 reviews with 5-star rating, and it's specifically built for Shopify, and it works incredibly. It's totally free, and you can install it right now. Now, JudgeMe is a fast-loading, fully customizable review app in 38 languages where you can get reviews from different stores like Amazon, AliExpress, Alibaba, and a whole lot more. Now, moving on, you have unlimited email review requests with photo and video and in email forms. Display your star ratings, store and product reviews, trust badges, and reviews carousel. You can share reviews on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, rich snippets, and Google Shopping. Engage your reviewers with Q&A, and fully integrated to sync reviews to and from the Shop app via Shopify Meta Object. Now, the best part is that the installation is totally free, and once you've installed it, all you're going to want to do is you're simply going to pair it with your Shopify store's regimen. So it's going to take you to your Shopify store editor, and in the editor is simply going to ask you to embed the app by switching the embed app application option on. So once you switch that option on, that will basically turn JudgeMe on. So this is, in my opinion, the most used and, in my opinion, the best review app on Shopify, and I would definitely urge users to use it. But moving on, there's also a lot more review apps that you can use, and trust me, they also work incredibly. So the second review app that I'm gonna bring you is Luke's Product Reviews app. Now, Luke's is basically just like JudgeMe, but it gives you a lot more features, and the reviews that you get are much more detailed and, in my opinion, aesthetically more pleasing. The only bystand that I have with Luke's is that it's $9.99 a month, which basically means that it has a paid plan. Now, the difference from Luke's and JudgeMe is that JudgeMe is totally free, but Luke's will give you paid features, and trust me, those paid features are pretty worth it. So Luke's, again, goes ahead, gives you the capabilities to collect product reviews on autopilot with customized emails and review forms. You can offer customers a next purchase discount for adding a photo or video to the reviews. You get beautiful widgets that match your brand, including carousels, pop-ups, and badges. You can sync reviews to and from Shop app and to Meta Shops, Google Shopping, and Search to have a better feature capability. And you can drive even more sales with one-click referrals and social proof upsells. It's great for your POS, and it works incredibly with your HITL of the store. Now, moving on. Once we have talked about JudgeMe and Luke's, now let's go ahead to another incredible application called Ali Reviews. Now, Ali Reviews, you can tell by the name, is a review application that directly imports views from stores like AliExpress, Alibaba. It also imports things from different exclusive reviewers. You can bulk import different photo reviews for yourself, with different types of platforms like Amazon, Deezer's, Zopi, and a whole lot more. And AI auto suggests are also available when it comes to Ollie reviews. And the best part about Ollie reviews is that it again has a free plan, just like Judge Me. Now, it also has plans above the free plan, but I don't really find the need to go for them unless you want a huge bulk of reviews. Like if you want, plus 1,000 reviews, that will make sense. In that case, I would definitely suggest you to go with the upper plans so you can get a higher bulk. But if you want the standard, per order 10 to 15 reviews, then the free plan should work incredibly for you. So these are the top three. I'm going to share two more applications that, in my opinion, would also work incredibly when it comes to your Shopify. So the next application that we're going to talk about is Vitals. Now, Vitals is an actual application. Although it is a hefty price to work with, basically it's $30 a month, but the features that it gives is incredible because you can actually integrate Vitals with other features to increase your review sales and SOPs. Now, the SEO with the reviews from Vitals is top notch out of all of the softwares that I suggested in this list. And the reason the SEO is the most top rating is because Vitals specifically chooses keywords according to the products that you give it. So, for example, if we want to get reviews for a hoodie, a black hoodie, it's obviously going to give you great keywords according to that black hoodie and boost your sales incredibly with different cross-sell bundles and a whole lot more. And what you can do with this, in my opinion, which is the best thing, is that it works with your Shopify admin directly, which means you can actually interpret and change the workings of Vitals with Shopify's very own code editor that you can find over here in edit code. So Vitals, again, if you have the budget for it, like if you have $30 a month for an application, trust me, you should go with Vitals. But obviously, if you don't want to waste your money on a reviews app, you could just go with Judge Me or Ollie Reviews. So Vitals, again, an incredible application, definitely a bit overpriced, but the features do not disappoint you. Now, one final app that I'd like to go with is Tidal. Now, Tidal Product Review is basically, you could say, a beta application right now. Now, it's totally free. There's no plan. There's only the free plan. And basically, what this does is it's good for beginners. Although Judge Me, in my opinion, is the best in case of beginners and pros. But if you want to, go with something that will teach you more for how to generate good reviews for good SEO and build basic credibility for your portfolio, then Tidal will work incredible for you. And as you can see, Tidal also has great ratings and it has over 2,000 reviews. Again, specifically built for Shopify, and it's popular across all businesses when it comes to marketing and sales because, again, this provides you great SEO and keywords, and it also gives you automations, custom requests, and email requests when it comes to generating reviews. So Tidal is another great application to get behind because it does give you a proper markup according to your products that you're working with. So basically, these are all the review apps on Shopify that I think would work incredibly with softwares. So yeah, do let me know down in the comments below which one you prefer out of all of these and which one you think would work best with your store. Till then, if you enjoyed this video, drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, do let me know down in the comments below and I'll be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that is all from me, and I hope you all have an incredible day. I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye.